Hello everyone, welcome back to the class of social studies. So today we are going to discuss about the topic of civics, that is the understanding our criminal justice system. So we are going to start with the first part. So in first part we are going to start with the introduction, as this two picture shows you the symbols, or we can say that the images of criminal justice. So we are going to start with the introduction part. Basically, you all know that someone violated the law. We immediately think of informing the police. You might have seen either in real life or in the movies police officers filling reports and arresting persons. Because of the role played by the police is arresting persons, we often get confused and think that it is the police who decide whether a person is guilty or not. After a person is arrested, it is a court of law that decides whether the accused person is guilty or not. According to the constitution, if we talk about the constitution, every individual charged of a crime has to be given in a fair trial. The four key players in the criminal justice system are the police, second one is the public, third one is prosecutor, and the fourth one is defense lawyer and judges. So you can see the role each of them played in the above case. Now let us try and understand their roles and more generally. So first we are going to start with the what is the role of the police in investigating a crime. Basically, what is the work of the police in investigating a crime? So first of all, I am going to tell you about the police. Basically, the police is responsible for preventing and investigating any crime and upholding the law of the country. So basically, in this, one important function of the police is to investigate any complaint. Okay. So an investigation include recording statement of witnesses and collecting different kind of evidences. On the basis of the investigation, the police are required to form an opinion. If the police think that the evidence point to the guilty of the accused person, then they file a charge sheet in the court. Then the next step is done by the police. Is police investigations always have to be conducted in accordance with law and with full respect for human rights. So basically we are also have to consider the human rights while we are investigating about the guilty person. The Supreme Court has laid down guidelines that the police must follow at the time of arrest, detention, and interrogation. Basically, detention means keeping in custody a particular guilty person, keeping in custody, and the police are not allowed to torture or beat or shoot anyone during investigation. So basically, in this slide we are going to discuss about the fundamental rights. So what are the fundamental rights and how they played a role in this part. They cannot inflict any form of punishment on a person even for petty offences. But Article 22 of the Constitution and criminal law guaranteed to every arrested person the following राइट्स. जो एक अरेस्ट किया होता है जिस पर्सन को, उसकी कुछ अपनी फंडामेंटल राइट्स होती हैं जो आर्टिकल 22 के अकॉर्डिंग कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने उस गिल्टी पर्सन को प्रोवाइड करी होती है. तो बेसिकली फर्स्ट फंडामेंटल राइट ऑफ दैट arrested person is the right to be informed at the time of arrest of the offense for which the person is being arrested. Second, the right to be presented before a magistrate within 24 hours of arrest. 24 आवर्स के अंदर अंदर उसे मैजिस्ट्रेट के आगे पेश करना पड़ता है. द राइट नॉट टू बी इल ट्रीटेड और टॉर्चर ड्यूरिंग अरेस्ट और इन custody. That police have no right to ill treat that person or torture at the time of arrest or custody. Now the next fundamental rights are confession made in police custody cannot used as evidence. अगर जिसको हमने अरेस्ट मीन्स जिसने को पुलिस ने अरेस्ट किया है, अगर वो कस्टडी में आने के बाद अपनी जो कन्फेशन है वो अपनी गलती मानता है तो उसको एज ए एविडेंस के तौर पे प्रूफ नहीं कर सकते, पेश नहीं कर सकते जज के आगे. अ बॉय अंडर 15 ईयर्स ऑफ एज एंड वुमेन कैन नॉट बी कॉल्ड टू द पुलिस स्टेशन ओनली फॉर क्वेश्चनिंग. सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्वेश्चनिंग करने के लिए किसी भी बॉय और वी कैन से दैट द गर्ल और अ वुमेन जो 15 ईयर्स से एज के कम होते हैं उन्हें पुलिस स्टेशन नहीं बुलाया जा सकता, ओनली फॉर क्वेश्चनिंग. Hope you like the video.